Hello guys! Today I will show you how to get a real TikTok account with the program D-Recompenses to earn money from your videos, just like on YouTube. Okay, let's start. First, open the TikTok website and go to Create Account. Then, change the country to France. Now enter your information. So now, you can use your email or a temporary email. Everything is ready. Here's the account. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you want me to make another video showing you how to grow your account, let me know in the comments.